For today's video, I will be sharing with you how to make a homemade insecticide for our plants in containers. So the materials we will be using for this concoction are 1 spoon of neem or vegetable oil, 1 spoon of dishwashing liquid, a liter of water, and a handful of herbs, either assorted or not. For our optional ingredients, you can make use of 1 bulb of onion and garlic, and chilies. Just do not exceed to 1 kilo because some farmers reported their plants burning because of the capsaicin. So for our first step, make sure that you wash your herbs free of dirt and chemicals, and then chop them well. After, for step 2, mix our oil and dishwashing liquid to the 1 liter of water. So the oil is for the dishwashing liquid to stick, and the dishwashing liquid's purpose is to burn or irritate the insect, and the water is basically just to dilute everything up. So after that is done, step 3 is to add up our herbs and let it ferment for 2 to 8 hours or overnight. So the longer you wait, the better, but do not exceed to 3 days or else it will smell really bad. After fermenting, just run the liquid through a filter to get rid of the large chunks and to avoid the spray nozzle from clogging up, and then spray it to the affected leaves or stems. Only spray this early in the morning or late in the afternoon. Avoid using this at noon times because the oil will burn the leaves of the plant. Apply this every week until the pest population decreases. And if you add any chilies, make sure that you apply or spray the insecticide in a distance of 1 foot away from the plant. So that is all for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed. If you find this informative, consider sharing this to your friends and hitting the like button. If you have comments, suggestions, or thoughts, leave it in the comment section. Remember, we have a Facebook page about gardening, and if you want to support my channel, consider subscribing. This is Ed Cashel, signing out.